Niitsu area, Akiha Ward, Niigata City. How much do you know about this place? Akiha Ward is one of the 8 wards of Niigata City, Niigata Prefecture, in the Hokuriku region of Japan. Today I will introduce you about Niitsu area, which is very popular for oil fields. We spent 1 hour walking through the forest, enjoying the fresh air while learning more about this spectacular area. Niitsu was famous for oil production. There are many well pumping up systems and facilities still remaining here. Besides learning about oil production, what else is there to do in Niitsu area? Welcome to Akiha Glass, the last remaining beacon of glass blowing techniques in the area. Glass blowing is a technique to produce bottles, cups, and other containers. It involves inflating molten glass into a bubble with the aid of a blowpipe and shaping into the desired appearance. How about this wonderful glass work? Here at Atelier Miharu, you can try experience the glass fusing technique. Let's start with a heart design. Using a special glue, stick the sparkling particle onto the glass. Relax as you create this colorful and unique dish. This is what I have after just 20 minutes. And here is the final product. Thank you Atelier Miharu for this amazing and memorable experience.